Well, National School Lunch Week celebrates the fact that 30 million children are nourished in schools each day throughout the nation. And this week of October 15th through the 19th, we're especially promoting school lunch, Lots to Love.
My work is just to actually serve every day something nutritious. That's the most important thing, to eat vegetables, fruit, and the kids be healthy. So we try to prepare our food, healthy and safe.
All week we are doing a bunch of different fun things. We have prize giveaways, we're asking students what they love most about school lunch, we've got posters that we're posting up, and we also have a social media window frame that we're taking pictures of students in, getting them all amped up about eating school lunch.